In life, what defines us is how well we rise after falling. Ladies and gentlemen, we are Team Stealth from General Sir John Kotelawala Defense University. Of course, during the lockdown, everything fell apart. Children couldn't meet their friends, the offices were shut down, and most people even lost their daily source of income. Although most people were physically safe at home, their mental state was in danger. And although the problem given to us was huge, we thought of a simple solution, and that is to get back up. As a team, we decided to build a platform to heal their minds. And this is what we came up with. Let me take you through our web application. It's a platform to cope up with different mental conditions, reduce stress, improve relationships, take a hobby. Our stakeholders are mainly children, young adults, and adults. We also provide success stories of inspirational people, also contact features. But the most unique feature is we cater to our own mother language, which is Sinhala. When the user starts the survey, he is first asked about the age category. And once the age category is selected, he is asked a set of questions with regard to the preferences. For example, when it comes to kids, if they like coloring, singing, and also engaging in outdoor activities. Once this is submitted, we ask them a series of questions. Now, these questions were carefully analyzed and after conducting interviews and surveys with mental health professionals and also psychology undergraduates. After asking these series of questions, based on the answers given, the magic happens. And that's where the system, using an algorithm, suggests activities based on the answers given by the user. For example, can go and make a puzzle, or even color, or even listen to some soothing music. This is PIBIDEMU.
Infraverse is the world's first thermal camera that can detect temperature without using radiometric images. This would reduce the physical effort and the risk of cross-infection spreading caused by those handheld thermometers, which is used in most of the companies. And this would also reduce the cost as much times comparatively to the existing thermal cameras in the market. So this is a enhanced digital camera that is the first to function without radiometric imaging that uses smart artificial intelligence technology. And as you can see, the market value comparatively to the existing products in the market compared to FLIR and Android, we provide a lot of features at a much cheaper cost of less than 10,000 rupees. And this is a simple mechanism of how our camera operates, and this can be simply explained by showing you a small animation of how we modify an existing web camera to be converted into a thermal camera. We remove an infrared filter out of the existing camera and fix back the parts together so that it can function as a thermal camera. This also can be used to create a revolutionizing application where we can connect all the places which use our thermal cameras into one single location and flag the areas in the Google Maps with red and green areas where it's safe to travel or not. So our business model canvases value proposition totally depends on the only mechanism that reproduces the advantage obtained by an infrared camera, which is 10 times cheaper than the regular cameras and reduces the threat caused by cross-infection. And our web camera based model, which is reverse engineered, costs 9,500 rupees. But if you are concerned about warranty violations, we can go to the CCTV camera based model, which is 9,500 rupees, which is somehow less than 10,000. And we cover 3 sustainable development goals through this, which is good health and well-being, industry innovation and infrastructure, and responsible consumption with production. Thank you.
Be Safe is the app that helps you to be safe during COVID-19. In simple terms, it alerts users to follow the necessary health and safety guidelines at appropriate times. For an example, in the mealtime picker, the users can set their breakfast, lunch, and dinner times to get reminders with voice messages to wash their hands before they eat. As you can see, it shows a notification saying it's lunchtime and it's time to wash my hands. And if we click on this, it will direct to a page that shows the proper way to wash hands, and it also includes a 20-second timer. Next, we have the Your Places section. Here the user can set their most frequently visited places like home, school, university and workplace to get alerts, to wear a mask when going outside of that place, and to wash their hands when coming back to that place.
Going outside? Remember to wear a mask.
As you can see here, it sends a notification saying going outside, remember to wear a mask, and that's because we set the home location far from Colombo, but the current location of the device is in Colombo. So it's detecting the user as someone that is going outside of their home location. If we click on the notification, it will show the proper way to wear a mask. Next up is the Beware notification. With that, the users get alerts on social distancing so that they can take the necessary precautions when they are in a crowded area.
Be aware. People nearby, make sure to keep your distance.
So that's our Beware notification, and our final notification is the location-wise case count notification. It alerts users about the current location-wise case count. That way, users can be on more alert in much higher case count areas. So that's our location-wise case count notification. Because the device's location is in Colombo, it gives the reported cases for Colombo district. And apart from these, BSafe includes a dashboard, share app component, help page for the users. Right now, there is no cure for the virus, and the best way to beat this virus is to prevent further contamination. And BSafe will help to ensure it. So BSafe will be there for you to keep you safe even when you're too busy to take care of yourself.